growing up as a kid in Jamaica, my grandparents used to raise chicken, and I used to look forward to when they kill chicken. Who can kill chicken like me? You want to see me in action killing chicken too? Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, we're doing school this morning. How are you guys doing? How are you guys spending your quarantine? Hopefully if you guys have to go out, you're wearing your
mask.
Say good morning to the face.
Good morning.
What did you do in your first activity this morning?
Mama?
What did you do on this one?
Look on above the train and do the letters of the alphabet 2 times.
Exactly, and you did very well. And then you did another activity which you got 100%. What did you do on this one?
I did very good that one.
What were you supposed to do? Explain to me.
I was supposed to put the number of the dice that make the same number. Like everything is correct.
Okay, so how did you know that they're correct? For example, the first one was 13. So what did you do to make sure it's 13?
Because I already know that 5 and 5 that make 10. And more than 5 and 5 with 5 and 5 and 3. It's just like I'm making 3. And I know that is 13.
Okay, so 5 plus 5 plus 3 equals 13.
Yes. And 11. I know exactly. It's just like I was doing a 1. Because 5, 5, 10. And with 5 and 5, 1. Then make 11.
Very good. And how did you get the 15?
Oh, I add.
How did you get the 15?
Because I know that 15 is 5 and 10 is 5, 5. So I did that like that.
Okay. So he did that and he did very well. So
add.
That's okay. So we are going to continue with school, and we're talking very low because... And she's sleeping right beside us. So Sarah is taking her morning nap. Baby's in the office working while Mama is doing school with Tyler.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, big boy. So we're gonna continue getting some schoolwork done. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. We love you guys. And oh, I did wake up and do my workout this morning, so I'll show you a little peek into what I did for workout this morning. So enjoy that and the rest of today's vlog. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and give this video a
thumbs up
and comment down
below.
All right. Anyway, you guys. All right.
Love you so much.
I love you too, pumpkin. Alright, let's finish up the rest of the activity.
I'm so happy that I love you.
I'm so happy that we love each other. That's how it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm in the kitchen getting lunch prepared for the squad, and for lunch today I am making some chicken liver. What happened? That's okay, do everything on the page before you show me. You write your name and the date?
Yes, I want to.
No. do everything on the page, and then you show me if you make a mistake, we correct it when you finish, okay? Continue. Find it. Anyway guys, I'm making some chicken liver, and then I'll decide what to go with the chicken liver. I'm not making any dinner tonight because I have leftover Sunday Monday oxtail from last night, so that will be a perfect dinner. It will taste even better. I heard it just fell on the ground, Tyler. And if you guys want to see the method that I use to cook my chicken liver, then you can go over to my food channel, which is at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, and you can find a chicken liver recipe over there. I remember growing up as a kid in Jamaica, my grandparents used to raise chicken, and I used to look forward to when they kill chicken. Who can kill chicken like me? You want to see me in action killing chicken to sell to the shops in our community early in the morning? Wake up at 4 o'clock and we'd gather some of our friends and we'd kill the chicken and pick them and get them ready and dressed. And I would look forward to eating the liver, cooking the liver and the heart and the gizzard and make soup with the chicken foot. But the shops used to also buy those, so whatever left over, oh, your girl used to get done. I guess that's where my passion from cooking really started. And if you know anything about cooking chicken liver, you know that this thing will pop and burn it in a split second. So if you realize I throw the liver in and cover my pot right away, because this girl don't want to burn ya. But yeah, while that's going, I think I'm gonna get my festival dough going. I think I have a festival dough here. Look, a festival here from I was pregnant. I think someone sent me 2 of these, and I still have one that I haven't opened as yet, but that's gonna change right now. And you know the thing about this festival mix is that what I realize is that if you use it as it is, then the festival dough, it comes out too soft in terms of there is so much baking powder in it. It's like it soaks up too much oil. So I'm recommending, if you buy this festival mix online, what I recommend that you do is mix it with some flour. So I'm gonna throw some of the mix in my pan, and then I'm gonna throw some of my flour onto that mix, and that way you'll get a perfect festival, trust me. Because the food moving so fast, I forget to show you guys before I start eating. But to get the idea, that's what it look like. Say morning to the fish, babe.
Hi guys, morning, afternoon, everybody. It's good. It's a nice lunch, nice Monday lunch.
And look who want the food. You want dumpling?
Mama,
She's a foodie.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Put the dumpling in the sauce.
Exactly, that's why I give you a lot of sauce. It's something else. So yeah, we're grabbing. Sarah grabbing too. Look at these two. You played with brother? You're too funny. fresh air in the garden. Tyler riding his bike.
I did it to go up the hill and then come here.
Go on again. Go up here. And then come back.
And then look how I'm going to.
Oh.
Oh, a fly.
Oh, that's okay. Go on now. Activity that his teacher sent from school. He's supposed to choose a number between 0 to 10 and keep that number in his head and don't tell me, and then I'm gonna guess the number. If I don't get it right, my next follow-up question will be higher or lower until I should guess until I get it right, and then vice versa.
Start.
You're gonna start?
Yes.
All right. Choose your number.
Got it.
You have your number?
Yes.
Is it 6?
No.
Should I go higher or lower?
Lower.
Lower?
Yes.
Is it 4?
No.
Is it 3?
No.
Is it 2?
No.
Is it 5?
No.
Is it 1?
No.
Is it 4?
No.
Is it 5?
No.
So what is it? You said to go.
Zero. My turn again because I win.
All right, your turn again. Choose your number.
Got it.
All right. Is it? Look at Sarah. Is it 7?
No.
Higher or lower?
Higher.
Is it 9?
No.
8?
No.
10?
Yes. Here. Your turn because you win.
Okay, my turn. Okay, got my number.
0.
No.
1.
Ask your question.
I mean, higher or lower?
Higher.
10.
No.
9.
No.
7.
Yes. Hey guys, I'm coming on to do a special shout out. We haven't done shout out in a long time. Tyler. Okay, you guys, so this shout out is a special requested shout out from one of our subscribers by the name of Nadinola Richards. And Nadinola said her baby watches us by the name of Ravel. So hi Ravel, thanks for watching us. Say hi Ravel.
Hi, Ravel.
Hi Nadinola.
Hi, Nadiola.
Alright you guys, thanks for always showing us love. We appreciate y'all. And thanks love for watching. Time around here, Sunday, Monday, oxtail, rice and peas and veggies. So I'm preparing dinner while Babe is on his way doing working out. So he's running right now. So let's go sneak on him real quick. Hey. It's dinner time. It's dinner time. It's dinner time for Mama and brother and tasting for Sarah. For Sarah. Yeah.